Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Did you know that you can sponsor yourself to the UK? You don't need to reach out to any UK employer for a job offer, and you don't have to depend on any relatives or friends in the UK. The best part is that you can even take your spouse or common law partner and your children along with you. They'll get separate visas too. After 5 years in the UK, you can even apply for residency, and after 6 years, you can apply for your UK citizenship. This pathway is the best way for entrepreneurs, investors, or those wanting to either start a new business in the UK or buy an existing one. There may also be an option to take on supplementary employment or another job which is in line with your job classification while you're on this visa, so that's great too. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sponsor yourself to the UK, all the benefits involved, all the requirements for it, the initial capital you'll need, how to set up a company in the UK and how to get a sponsorship license for it, the documents you'll need, and all the exact steps you need to follow, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let me tell you more about the sponsorship visa category. The self-sponsorship route to enter the UK is actually under the skilled worker visa category, wherein you can establish or purchase a business in the UK and appoint yourself as a skilled worker for the business. Through this process, an overseas national such as yourself can come to the UK to work for their own business without the need to have a separate UK sponsor other than the company that they create in the UK. If you are approved to come to the UK under the self-sponsorship visa, you may subsequently use it as a platform to secure permanent residency and even UK citizenship for you and your family members. If someone wants to start their own business in the UK, this is the best category to do so. There are no strict rules on the type of business that can be run in the UK, and you can have up to 100% shares or complete ownership of your UK company and be the managing director yourself. You can open a coffee shop, a cafe, restaurant, a recruitment firm, an ad agency, a tech company, or any other business that you're interested in that's legal in the UK. Now, how much capital investment would you need for this pathway? There's no minimum or maximum amount of investment required to qualify for this pathway, which is the best part about it. Unlike the Innovator visa, which requires a minimum capital investment of at least £50,000, there's no such minimum investment required into the business for the self-sponsor pathway, and you can even hold shares in your business yourself. The reason behind this is that you, as a business operator, have to decide how much money you think is appropriate to run the business you have in mind in the UK. It can be £15,000 or it can even be £15 million. It's all subjective and will depend on the nature of your business. Now, how does this self-sponsorship visa actually work? In simple terms, you can basically set up a business in the UK, apply for a sponsor license for your business, and then sponsor yourself as a skilled worker for your business. The first step is to establish your company in the UK. You can find detailed information on how you can set up and register your business on the official UK government website. I'll add a link to this webpage in the description box. You will be able to register as a sole trader, a limited company, or a partnership. The second step is to get a sponsorship license, using which your newly established company can sponsor an overseas worker on a skilled worker visa. You will be this overseas worker, and you'll basically be hiring yourself and paying yourself a salary in the UK. In effect, you'll be sponsoring yourself to come and work in your own company. The process is completely legal, and as explained before, you may be one of the majority shareholders in your UK business, and the job title may range from Managing Director, Director of Operations, or any other relevant role you may take to run your business in the UK. It usually takes around 6 to 8 weeks to get a decision on your sponsorship license from the Home Office. Now, coming to the documents you'll need to get your sponsorship license. You'll need a minimum 1-month business bank statement, copy of a lease or freehold or tenancy agreement, employer liability insurance certificate with a minimum cover of £5 million, payee or account office reference letter from HMRC, which is the Revenue and Customs Authority in the UK, copy of regulatory approval, that's your health and safety star rating for food businesses, ACCA, SRA, etc. A VAT certificate if you're a registered entity, and signed annual accounts if your business is over 18 months old. From all the 7 documents mentioned here, you'll need to submit at least 4. After a UK company has received a sponsorship license, you can proceed to the final stage, which is appointing yourself or employing yourself in your own company and applying for a skilled worker visa for it using the job offer you've created as the basis of your visa application. Do remember that for the role that you're taking in your company, you must meet certain criteria such as English language proficiency of at least level B1 on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages or CEFR scale, a minimum salary of £25,600 per year or £10.10 per hour, whichever is higher, and a level of education which is a minimum bachelor's degree required. After 5 years under your skilled worker visa, you can apply for a UK residency, and after 6 years, your UK citizenship. Alright guys, so that was how you can sponsor yourself and your family members to the UK. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.